Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the OGX Weightless Hydration Coconut Water Shampoo, 13-ounce bottle, lightweight hydrating formula, sulfate-free surfactants. Very nice for hot spots, and to soften the elbows of the kennelled dogs coming from the shelter. And of course carries the added benefits if they do lick it off, besides everyone smelling nice. The smell is a little strong, kind of like a coconut perfume kind of scent. A few quick sprays, and your hair smells amazing. It helps with frizz, and doesn't leave your hair greasy unless you put too much on, and then that's your fault. Like that it is in a spray, helps with frizz, but only for a few hours in this high humidity. Great moisturizer that smells like the beach. Perfect for those cold winter days when you want to feel like you are someplace warmer. One extra spray, or overlapping spray, makes your hair greasy for the rest of the day. This is a great shampoo if you have fine hair and want it to have some volume. Sprays a light mist on your skin and hair without dripping or making a mess. It's lightweight and not greasy or oily, so that's really its selling point for me. Quality of shampoo is paramount, takes very little, and suds up well, as a very light scent of coconut when finished, not heavy. The hair was way easier to blow dry, and it has a glow to it. It's great for the ends when they are dry, and for after blow drying your hair. It lays down the fly always. Works great, but be warned, it smells very strong. Thankfully the smell doesn't last very long though. It's very light, so it doesn't make a huge difference in moisture, but it's nice. The spray is non-greasy, dries well, and leaves her hair smelling great, and very soft. If you want an oil-like spray, this might not be the product for you. Not to mention that it has an amazing scent that lasts a decent amount of time. Best for skin and hair, the more coconut the better. Thin oil, great on hair all day, not greasy looking, good product. Spritz this in your hair before applying heat to it, and it makes your hair super soft and shiny. It's basically a gel which foams up very nicely, has a nice light coconut scent that isn't too strong like most shampoos. It does the job, makes hair silky, but the smell makes me want to gag. This is perfect for locks, and keeping the hair moisturized without heavy grease or oil. But it works good, and for only $5 it's so nice, and literally such a good smell. It is slightly oily, but it won't ruin your clothes, or leave you with greasy hair. It puts off a lot of burning, and that cannot be good for your hair. Love this oil. Light and dry oil that sprays a fine mist over your hair. It works okay on her wet hair, but doesn't seem to be quite enough conditioning. This is one of the best hair products ever. Eliminates frizz, helps nourish dry hair, smells great, and is lightweight. It has a fresh, sweet, coconut fragrance in the shower, but doesn't leave you smelling like a coconut after the shower. This is a semi-thick gel which lathers decently, and has a light, but very calming fragrance. The bottles are small enough to pack for travel, and they double as a body wash. It does feel greasy when you first apply, but as it absorbs, that feeling should go away. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.